Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, welcome to Blood Moon. This is my newest original oil painting. And it's actually an oil painting over acrylics, acrylic inks, and alcohol inks. And it's on canvas board. And I'm getting ready for our gallery opening. I'm really prepping because I'm going to have a little place where we can all have coffee if you want to come by and say hi. And then I'm going to have a whole line of original art pieces that are very, very easy to transport home. They're not going to cost $1,000,000 to ship because you don't have to ship them. You're going to be able to fit them in your luggage. And that's the biggest outpoint that I've seen with a lot of the galleries in Europe. And, specifically the ones that cater to tourists, none of that stuff fits in your luggage. And you got to either ship it, which is ruinously expensive, or you got to somehow schlep it home, or I don't even know what. But these ones that I'm doing here, many of them are on smaller canvases. I've got some square foot canvases that I'm doing and offering. I've got bigger canvases that I can ship, but I'm also doing these ones on canvas board. And canvas board is very easy to transport. You just bubble wrap the living heck out of it, maybe put something solid on the front and back, and stick it in your luggage, and it's going to be ready to go. So not sure on the ETA, on the gallery opening. It's going to be in the next month or two. And like I said, I'll have a little angolo there, a little corner where you guys can come and we can sit down and chit chat, and you can look at art and maybe take some home with you. So there you go, guys. Take care.